That rabbit has stolen the Illudium 236 explosive space modulator. After that rabbit. Y'all need to have a drinking game for every time I go, ugh. Y'all be drunk by like the 5th minute, however long it's gonna be. Mr. Neon and I are feeling a little bit better. We decided to go ahead and come camping this weekend, get outside, and it's been better. I think we just needed to get out. I left my 360 magnet back at the trailer, but I have my I have the Orion clamp with me, and it's kind of funny because up here in the constellations, that's the first thing I see is Orion. So maybe it's a sign. So I'm going to use my Orion clamp just right up against the dock. This is the same one that I have fished at night earlier in January, I guess. End of December into January. Still at a park. Found all those fishing poles. So I'm going to try it again and see what I get. Yeah, I haven't magnet fished like in 3 weeks because of COVID. So let's see what we can get. Okay guys, I got a new headlamp. This bitch is bright. It's like LED greatness. Oh, I shouldn't be this excited over a damn headlamp, but I'll tell you what guys, I am. There's Herman. Herman's with us. There's Herman. Y'all wanna know who Herman is? Y'all haven't watched a lot of our videos, I guess. Check out some of the older ones or ask me down in the comments below and I'll tell you about Herman. This light is just, the only bad thing is that you can't angle it down like to the water. So right now y'all are on boob cam again. So let's see what, 746 and 57 degrees. Oh, okay, we got a little bait thingy. A hooker. More hookers. Oh, we got screwed. We got screws and hookers. And mud. Ugh. Okay. Oh. I hear critters. Okay. Goddamn hook. Okay, we got a hooker. Fishing paraphernalia. Leader. Yeah. It's one of those curvy bitches. We're all about the curvy bitches. That's right. Not tied off. Don't do what Heather just did. Okay, guys. I have something. Oh, we always have to have a nasty worm. We got a damn nasty worm, and it's blue. And we have a weight. I'm fishing on it. Okay. So I have turbo. Again, turbo's a magnet I found. Magnet fishing. He's a single-sided. I mean, there's my hand. He's small. He doesn't have... See, look at that. There's not a lot of space right there. So it's like, oh, this is the magnet. And he's strong. He brought up some big stuff for Ashley and for me. That's the one Ashley used the first time she was on crutches. I mean, he gets more than like my 1200 double-sided brute, and he gets more than the 1500 single-sided brute. He crazy. So we're gonna go with him. He's light, but he is mighty. There's something on there. What do we got? Got a crappie jig. Okay. We might not find anything tonight. No, he's sitting crooked. What's he got? He got a hooker. He got another hooker. Shh. We're not down here. See, there's a car driving by. Music's playing loud, so I doubt they're a park ranger. Keep going. I got COVID. You don't want to come over here. It's a bullet weight. I don't know what's holding them there. They're bolts or they're just nails. If you get in there, can you get it out? I mean, this is where most people are going to drop stuff, right on the edge. Oh. Yeah, last time that's all I was getting was this moss. Oh, what is that? Okay. This is all moss here. That is a screw. We got screwy mud. Okay. Okay. There's our ball. Ready? So this is turbo. Did y'all see that? Turbo don't play. Oh man. I've got a hell of a lot of moss on there or something. Oh, mud. Yuck. I ain't got shit on there. Okay. Oh. That water splashed right on my crotch. That's not nice. That is so not nice. Oh. We did go a little lower. The panky pank. Oh, I need to not say what I was going to say. Something about two in the paint, but you know. Okay. But I only got one. Oh my god, is that mud? Look at that. What is that? This is just nasty. Ugh. Well, shit. Okay. Can I just say that? See, a small part of me wants to go right there. Yeah. Okay. Alright. There. No, that's on the other side of the board, but that's okay. It's okay. Okay, yeah. Turbo's fine. Turbo's fine. Okay. Ugh. Yuck. Turn this board over. Yeah. Do you see? I moved it. Is there anything underneath that board? Oh, sad. That's still that damn board. I'm not doing anything, Ossifer. I haven't even been drinking, sir. Just on cough medicine, sir. Okay. Actually, I'm not on cough medicine anymore, but damn, I've had a lot in the last 2 weeks. Straighten up, turbo. Straighten up and magnetize right. Yuck. Okay, yeah. Oh, that still has mud all over it. Just hate that much mud, that kind of mud. It's that sticky poop mud. You know what I mean? Sticky poop mud, man. Some bad shit, isn't it? Yeah. No, there's something in there. Not heavy, though. Little jiggy jig. No, we got screwed. Oh, we got a bottle cap. Okay, it's white on the side. We need to take advantage of this moment because, let me tell you why. You want to know why? I'll tell you why. We don't get a lot of bottle caps here. So let's admire it. There's a hooker. It's white on the side. I'm going to guess Corona. Let's see. Is there anything on the other side? No. Okay. Y'all want to take bets? Place your bets now. I'm thinking Corona. Let's see. Is it? It is Corona. Oh, we got something. Oh, guys. Come on. Really? That is the nastiest worm. Look at that. Blah, 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 blah. This is like something you see on Men in Black. You know. What's that worm dude? Not the little worm dude. No, Mikey. Was Mikey the big dude in the sewer? Mikey. That's Mikey right there. So the battery dies. And I bring up a fishing reel. So, let's go back here. Right when the battery died. Look at that. I hadn't been down there that long. Look at that. I mean, the button still works and everything. Huh. Oh, that's mud. Oh, that's nasty. Okay. Ugh. Okay. Don't bitch, people. It's gonna rain. Chill out. Okay, what do we got? Okay, we got fishing paraphernalia. We got a little blah, 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 blah. That's like a 2-hooker special. Hooker. You got a treble, you got a regular hook. That cost extra right there. I don't care who you are. Okay, we got a weight. Got another big catfish or bass hook. I always forget. Is that a catfish or a bass hook? I forget. Another one. Oh, this is full of hookers. This is Hooker Central over here. I remember last time I was catching all the hooks over here. There's a little bitty hooker. Oh. Okay, we got a lid. What kind of lid we got? Just a white lid. Okay. A twisted hooker. And an itty bitty screw, probably from a reel. Can't even see that, can you? It's right there. Seriously, Turbo don't lie. Turbo don't play. See? Voila. Is that something? Look at this. Oh. Okay, we're back in the mud. A broken screw. Yep. Take that for what you take it for. It's a broken screw. I mean, we got a reel. We can't complain. We're out. We got some fishing line out of the water. Got to relocate a whole bunch of hookers out of the water. Oh. Oh. Got a few more hookers to relocate. And weights. The weights are the pimp. Weights are telling the hookers where to go. Oh, I need to cut that out. Okay. This is why we don't have all the subscribers. We can talk about hookers and blow, man. No, don't do drugs, kids. Seriously. We cannot cross the streams. Oh. Okay. Well, what good is that? What good is that? Really? Okay, Turbo. There's some drinking mofos out here, aren't they? Okay. Bitches and barbs. Okay. That one out there. This is why I don't stay clean right here. Heather, get these gloves. You'll stay clean. Until you do something shitty like this. The current mission is to get that out of the glove. Okay. I got knives and scissors, but no pliers. I haven't found any pliers. Magnet Junkie, I haven't found any goddamn pliers. It's like getting out of a fucking fish's mouth. Okay, there we go. Is it? Oh, we got some fishing line. Okay, okay. We got a hooker. We got 4 hookers. Got 4 hookers for the hooker relocation program. We got a washer. Okay, we got a washer. There's 3 hookers. There's it is. Okay. It's on my glove again. See? Got a final screw. Oh yeah, another hooker. Screw. Got another screw. Oh, we got another one. Blue, 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 blue. Oh. Look, that's like a party in a tail. Okay, we got a wormy thing and a piece of metal. Ugh, nasty moth. Well, let's do that again. I just keep saying like one last throw in my head and sometimes out loud, but you just want to do one more. It's like, one more, what am I going to get? Oh, yuck. Drink. I decide. Ugh. Okay. Here we go. Okay, are y'all ready? Did you see that? This is Turbo Jr. See how far he is? Right there. Turbo Jr. don't play. This is why I'm always fucking dirty. This is why Heather was never a girly girl. Thank goodness Mr. Neon loves me the way I am. So here's what we do. Get Turbo. That's how we clean up the bucket. There's a big hooker. We gotta watch out for the big hookers. The hooker relocation program happening right in front of your eyes. Where it really like, God damn it, Turbo, let go. Heather, why don't you use the plastic scraper? The hooker relocation has completed. Night night, hookers. Well, that was kind of uneventful. Voice is starting to go. So, it's still a nice night out. There's a lot of stars out. Thanks for watching. Didn't get that much. Got a lot of hookers for the hooker relocation program. Best catch was the reel. I left that reel on the table in case somebody wants it. But at least we got out. And that's about it. We have discount codes down in the description for Kratos Magnets and for Magnet Hounds. Magnet Hounds has a really good starter kit. And Kratos has 360s clamps and regular magnets. The single-sided, double-sided. So go give everybody a look. Thanks for watching. And stay tuned for the next video. Thanks. Bye.